Welcome to today's guide, where we're diving into something super useful for anyone who uses WhatsApp web regularly. If you're tired of those constant security notifications popping up on your screen, I've got good news for you. There's now a simple way to hide them with a new update. So let's get right into it. First, open WhatsApp web on your computer. You can do this by going to the WhatsApp web page or opening the desktop app if you already have it installed. After signing in by scanning the QR code with your phone, you'll land on your main chat screen. Now, take a look over on the left side menu of your screen. You'll see a small gear icon which represents the settings. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you have access to all your account preferences and privacy options. Once you're inside the settings menu, click on Account. It's usually listed near the top. Inside the Account section, choose Security Notifications. This is where WhatsApp controls whether your computer displays alerts about encryption or device connections. At this point, you'll see a switch labeled Show Security Notifications on this computer. All you need to do is turn that off. Once you toggle it off, the changes take effect immediately. From now on, your computer won't show those notifications when security keys change or when your contacts reinstall WhatsApp. This adjustment doesn't affect your account's safety. Your chats remain encrypted and completely secured. It simply makes your WhatsApp web experience cleaner and less distracting while you work or chat. And that's it. Just a few quick steps and you've successfully disabled WhatsApp web security notifications. If you found this tutorial helpful, take a second to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips just like this. Stay tuned for more updates and tricks to help you make the most out of your favorite apps. Thanks for watching.